Good morning, students. We can continue the exercise 9.5. Next question, question number 4. So, first one, a square minus b square the whole square. So, if you are checking here, two terms are there, a minus b the whole square, we can apply here. Okay, this is totally related to the equation a minus b the whole square. This property. What is this property? A square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the property. Okay. So a square minus 2ab plus b square I am going to apply here. What is a here? A minus b. But here it is instead of a square. Instead of b square. So what are the values? A is equal to a square, b is equal to b square. Next we can apply the equation. A square. So a is equal to a square. I written here. But we have to write a square. So a square the whole square. Then we will get a square, right? Minus 2ab. Minus 2 into a into b. So a square into b square plus b square. B square. What is b here? B is b square. So we have to write b square. So b square the whole square we have to write. So a square the whole square is equal to a raised to 4 minus 2 into a square into b square minus 2 a square b square. Next plus b square the whole raised to whole square is equal to b raised to 4. So this is the final answer. Okay. Next question, question number, same question, second part. 2x plus 5 the whole square. So a plus b the whole square you can apply here. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So I am going to apply this property here. Okay. So what are the values here? A is equal to this 2x and b is equal to this 5. So I am writing a is equal to 2x, b is equal to 5. Substitute these values here. A plus b the whole square is equal to, this is in the form of a plus b the whole square, so we have to convert it into this. So a square, what is a? 2x. So a square means 2x the whole square plus 2 into a into b. So 2 into what is a? 2x into what is b? 5 plus b square. What is b here? 5 square. Okay. So 2x the whole square. 2 square is equal to 4. X square is equal to x square plus 2 into 2 4. 4 into 5, 20. So 20 into this x, 20x plus 5 square is equal to 25. Okay. So this is the final answer. Again, actually we have to calculate here 2x plus 5 the whole square minus 2x minus 5 the whole square. So I done this calculation. Next we have to calculate 2x minus 5 the whole square. Okay, I am applying a minus b the whole square. A square, that is 2x the whole square minus 2ab minus 2 into a is equal to 2x into b is equal to 5. So plus b square, that is 5 square. So we will get 2x square, 4x square minus 2 into 4, 2 4x, 4x into 5 minus 20x. Next plus 5 square is 25. So actually we have to do this calculation. That means this term minus this. So what is this? This we calculate here 4x square plus 20x plus 25 and minus this is one term minus of next term. Then we will get this one. After this we can write here. Okay. So 4x square minus 20x plus 25. Okay. So instead of this I written here. Next open the bracket. Minus into 4x square minus 4x square. 4x square minus 4x square we can cancel. Minus into minus, here it comes plus. Here also plus. So no need to cancel it. Minus into plus 25 minus 25. So here plus 25, here it is minus 25, we can cancel. So 20x plus 20x we will get 40x is the final answer. Okay. So next third part, do it as homework. Next I am doing here fourth part. Okay. So what is the fourth one? 4m plus 5n the whole square plus 5m plus 4n the whole square. So we can do it separately. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square property I am going to apply here. So a is 4m, b is 5n. Okay, so a square 4m the whole square plus 2 into a into b, 2 into 4m into 5n plus b square, b is 5n, so b square is 5n the whole square plus next again we can apply a plus b the whole square. So a square 5m the whole square plus 2ab 2 into 5m into 4n plus b square is 4n the whole square. Okay. So next normal calculation 4m the whole square. 4 square is 16. Next m square plus 2 into 5 10. 10 into 4 40 m n plus 5 square 25 n square. 5 square n square. So 5 square 25. Next n square written here plus 5 square m square. 5 square 25 m square plus 2 into 5 into 4. 2 into 5 10. 10 into 4 40 m into n mn plus 4 square 16 n square. Next add the like terms 16m square 25m square we can add 16 plus 25 we will get 41m square plus 40 plus 40 we will get 80m and like terms we can add. Okay, 25n square 16n square we can add 25 plus 16 we will get 41n square. So this is the final answer. Okay, next fifth part 2.5p minus 1.5q the whole square. Easy question. And sorry, minus 1.5p minus 2.5q the whole square. So first we have to calculate this separately. Next done it separately. Next subtraction. So I am calculating 2.5p minus 1.5q the whole square. A minus b the whole square applying here. So a square that is 2.5p the whole square minus 2ab 2 into a is 2.5p into b is 1.5q. Next plus b square. What is b? 1.5q the whole square. Okay. Next normal calculation 2.5 square. 2.5 into 2.5. Okay. So 6.25. Next is p square written here. Minus 2 into 2.5 5. 5 into 1.5 we will get 7.5. So here it is minus. So minus 7.5 p into q pq. Next plus 1.5 square means 2.25. Next q square is q square written here. So first one calculated. Next I am going to calculate second one. 1.5p minus 2.5q the whole square calculating here. A minus b the whole square. So first a square 1.5p the whole square minus a minus b the whole square. So a square minus 2ab 2 into a 1.5p into b 2.5q. Next plus b square is the property. So plus 2.5q the whole square. Okay, 1.5 square is 1.5 into 1.5 that is 2.25. Again p square written here. Minus 2 into 1.5 into 2.5 we will get minus 7.5. P into q pq. Next plus 2.5 square is 6.25. Next q square. So this is the value. Next we have to subtract these two values. So rewrite the same question here. Then equal to first term. First term is this one. 6.25 p square minus 7.5 pq plus 2.25 q square. Next minus of this whole term. So directly I am multiplying each term with minus. This minus is common for this term, this term, this term. So here it comes minus 2.25 p square minus into this minus plus 7.5 pq. Next minus into plus minus 6.25 q square. Okay, so if you are checking here 7.5 pq 7.5 pq, but here it is minus, here it is plus, so you can cancel these two. Next 2.25 q square, and next if you are checking here we cannot cancel it with any other one because 6.25 p square and minus 2.25 p square. So subtract these two values. 6.25 minus 2.25 we will get 4. Next is p square, 4p square. Next 2.25 minus 6.25, so minus 4q square. So 4p square minus 4q square is the final answer. Okay, next part part number 6, do it as homework. 7 I will show you here. Okay, m square minus n square m the whole square plus 2m cube n square. So this one no need to apply anything. This is one term only. No property we have to apply for this term. This I am going to apply a minus b the whole square, that is a square. A square, so m square the whole square minus 2ab minus 2 into this m square into n square m, so n square m plus m a plus b the a minus b the whole square minus 2ab, done. Next plus b square, so plus b is n square m, we have to write b square, so n square m the whole square, again remaining 2 plus 2m cube n square. Okay, so m square the whole square means m raised to 4. Next minus 2 into m square into n square m, so minus 2 m square into m means m cube and this is n square. M square m you should multiply here. Okay, next plus n square the whole square n raised to 4 and m square written m square plus 2m cube n square minus 2m cube n square plus 2m cube n square. We can cancel these two. Then we will get here first m raised to 4, next this term plus n raised to 4 m square. So this is the final answer. Okay.